I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get creative with live photo effects on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first, let's open our camera app. Now, we want to enable live photos, and to do so, you will click the icon on the top right there. Now you can see this live banner comes up. The swipe through or the slice through that icon is now removed, and so live photos are enabled. So most live photos work well with movement, so I took a couple pictures with some movement here. Now, in order to see a live photo and what it actually does, you tap and hold on the screen, and you can see that movement now. It's a regular photo, but when you engage the live photo, then it'll show you the movement. Now we have three other options here. Let's start with loop. So as you can see, instead of being a static image that I can then enable seeing the movement, this creates a loop over and over of the basically video that it took behind the live photo from start to finish over and over. Now let's take a look at bounce. So what bounce does is it goes from start to finish back to the start and over rather than looping from start to finish. And then last, let's take a look at long exposure. Now long exposure does not work well for images like this. Obviously it just looks completely washed out. What the long exposure does is pretends as if your image was exposed from the beginning to the end. Typically this works really well when you have your phone or device on a tripod, because then the moving bits will look washed out like this, and then the static bits won't be so affected. For example, if you're taking a picture of a city street with the cars moving, you'll see the city very well. All the buildings will be in focus, and then the cars will have this kind of washed out effect that looks pretty cool. Now you can take the loop and bounce options and use them as a GIF if you want to in text messages. People will see them looping or bouncing, and then the long exposure will just be a static image. And now you know how to get creative with using live photos and the settings within that.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.